Are you ready to tackle a mess with your Roborock Dyad, but when you press the power button, you get nothing? You put it on the charger, hoping for that familiar chime, but it just sits there, silent. It's one of the most frustrating feelings. The can't turn on and charge issue is a common problem we see with the otherwise amazing Roborock Dyad. So, what's the deal? In almost every case, the culprit is a faulty battery. After countless cleaning missions, the internal battery simply loses its ability to take or hold a charge, turning your high-tech cleaning wand into a pricey paperweight. Don't wait for the worst-case scenario. Let the pros at Robocare step in. We're not just a general repair shop. Our certified technicians live and breathe Roborock, and they've diagnosed and repaired hundreds of Dyad vacuums facing this exact issue. We don't guess. We use multi-point diagnostic testers to precisely confirm battery failure, ensuring we're not needlessly replacing other components. Our process is meticulous. We carefully disassemble the unit, safely remove the old component, and install a genuine battery. This guarantees your Dyad will not only work again, but will hold a charge just like it did on day one. But seeing is believing, right? Now we'll show you the results. We replace the faulty battery, and just like that, this Dyad is back with its original cleaning power, ready to tackle any disaster. Is your handheld vacuum giving you trouble? We've got the solution. With Robocare, getting a fix is simple, fast, and professional. Contact Robocare today